In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from PayPal to Fidelity. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly link your Fidelity account to PayPal and how to initiate a transfer, so you will be able to transfer any amount of money between both of these services. Usually, I recommend starting this process on PayPal itself, so instead of going over to Fidelity, on PayPal, all that you have to do is go over to your wallet page. You can do this on the mobile app or tap wallet if you go over to the website. When you go over to wallet, you will see plenty of options related to managing the connected accounts on PayPal, with one of the options being link a credit or debit card or bank account. Usually for Fidelity, you will be linking a card, so choose that option instead, but you can explore the link a bank option if you prefer. When you choose link a card, you will be able to input all of the details about the Fidelity card that you would like to attribute to PayPal, and then include the card number, type, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Once all of these have been included, you will be able to find it within your wallet page. And with the card properly linked, you can now initiate withdrawal requests from PayPal to Fidelity. So, on the dashboard or the wallet, for PayPal, you will be able to find transfer money, usually right underneath your balance. When you tap transfer money, you will be able to follow the instructions on screen by including the amount, choosing the recipient, and then confirming this transfer. Regardless of the amount that you input, as long as you have enough available balance on PayPal, you will be able to get this process started and transfer any amount of money to Fidelity. Repeat this process as needed, and as long as the card was linked successfully on your wallet page for PayPal, you will be able to see your Fidelity account underneath PayPal and manage it there at any point. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from PayPal to Fidelity. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.